Alright guys, I've decided to go for the back row. We are getting the backwards POV, which generally looks pretty cool. So
donc on se retrouve dans Tonnerre de Zeus en backward. Ça va être vraiment trop bizarre.
this is good, we have the YouTuber car. Everybody sat in the back row seems to be a YouTuber.
On verra si on traque dans les petits sur les parties track.
Oh, I don't know when it's coming. I can't see it. At some point it's going to be go time and I don't know when. Oh, I think it's now. Here we go. That was good.
Yes, yes.
I like that backwards. That was good. That was really good.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop me a like and a comment. And if you want to see more of my stuff, then you could check out my channel and subscribe and hit the bell.